chicken is raised with no antibiotics ever.
I'll take this.
Good decision for snack time. Allowing the band to practice and drink on the same.
Five
Great
kings,
decision. Keep it real. Keep it Tyson sanitizers.
or if we have a six, you can put in a six.
Always finding ways to go like Chase. Huh? Chase. I mean, they've always gone farther, but now they've taken Sapphire into banking. No ATM fees.
No way.
From here to the moon.
No man.
Oh,
No man.
oh, it's Sapphire banking.
This is a
Give me
Lord's
queens
Pizza.
with $2.
You got a dirty.
Every day. This is Italian handmade
You got
pancakes
two
and Domino's.
queens.
And now you can also carry one out for $7.99 every day. This is a local Domino's, and this is the end of the commercial for Domino's.
I'm Kenji Gomez from Domino's. Cash card from Capital
You have
One.
two queens,
I
well,
earn
we have
2% cash on everything I buy. And last
I
year,
doubt I
earned
could go out as low as I can.
$1,000 in cash back, which I used to offer health insurance to my employees. What's in your
I'm going to make a dirty one right here.
cars?
Okay.
$150.
Oh, darn it. Wait, oh,
Expectations. The life you're looking for has arrived.
Wait,
Corona.
okay, your turn. Look at Sandy and Maggie. Oh, you just got it.
They're a combination of crunch with cheese.
They're all
Delicious
partners.
perfection. It's not all about you, cheese.
You think I have a mouth? I'm a wheel of cheese. Cheesy, crunchy satisfaction.
Oh, wait. No, you can't add under the... Yeah, no, I know. I messed up. I was gonna put down another thing.
You have a king or a six?
99 cents.
Like real comfort
Yep.
food.
Trying to get
These guys keep pulling me back in. Back in.
Hurry in for Sonic's Fritos Chili Cheese Steak starting at 99 cents. Ending soon.
Is this still my turn? No, because you laid down here.
WickedWireless.com/holiday.
7. Oh, here's a 10.
What do you focus on first?
They say bird, I say smoky. So you don't have it. Season premiere. First Kids in America. Sunday, January 6th at 9. Only on Food Network.
Uno.
He's got a queen there. He didn't know it.
You guys have 3 queens.
Now, wait. Every card, now pick 2 cards.
Who are you?
King and 6. Jack, king, 6, 5. 6. Jack. Yep. Ace, 5, and Jack.
That's my phone. So
Go for it.
I was gonna be like, oh guys, I want to see this great Christmas movie. I'm just gonna play some stories for
Do you have any wild cards?
obligatory.
Yeah. I would put the wild cards out because they're gonna go out pretty soon. How many can you take? Can you take one?
57.
I can take 1. 5. Actually, that's all.
What's the score right now?
You're
Oh,
ahead.
a lot, but too little.
Ace and Jack, 5, King and
We're
6.
up by
490.
I want to count how many points.
Where did you get that?
Yeah, where'd you get that?
That's
Did you subtract, how many points did you have in your hand?
wait. Don't I have to subtract these though too?
No, all you gotta do is subtract the points in your hand.
Oh,
What did you have?
It's
45 or what did you have?
yeah, it's 40. It's 40. I'm pretty sure.
Okay, well then. 18, 19.
Like look. Remember,
We have
see
2,200
this
again.
is 30.
There's two
This
things
is
in
30. 40 minus 30 would be minus 10. Then minus 10 of this would be 1,490. So, 1,490. These are all minus, so we don't have to do anything with these.
You have to count them. You gotta
I
count
know.
them up now. Those you gotta count up.